there, welcome to Post Network Academy's Data Science and AI lecture series. I am Bindeshwar and today we are tackling an important topic, how to calculate the variance of a discrete frequency distribution. Let's jump right in. Before we dive into the lesson, if you are new here, make sure to check our website and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. The links are right here on the screen. So here the problem we will be solving today, we have a frequency distribution with values ranging from 0 to 5 and we need to solve for x and calculate the variance. So here it is given that n is equal to 60. Then what we will get? We will add all the frequencies, so that would be equal to 60. Now after simplification, you will get 2x square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. We will obtain two factors. Now what will happen? We will consider below because other will give negative values of x. So x of x would be 4. Thereafter, if we will put the value of x, we will get the frequency distribution. Now, to find out frequency distribution, we will require these values. And if you calculate, I am not going to calculate, if you calculate them, so you will get n is equal to 60, fixi 168, fix square 546, and if you plug all the values in the variance formula, so you will get 1.26. So this was how to calculate variance of discrete frequency distribution, and there was little bit different. First of all, you calculated value of x, thereafter you plug into the frequency distribution table, and thereafter you calculated variance. Hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching the video.